Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that refers to a sculpture which stands as a symbol of freedom and democracy. It is located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, USA. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. It was a gift from France to the United States and is one of the most visited landmarks in the world. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about the Statue of Liberty, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.